What is going on, guys? Isaac here, and today Blake with the red Mazda Protege 5 got his headers. So in this video we're going to be showing you kind of what the headers look like, and we kind of did a little time lapse of everything, putting it together, and then we did already recorded yesterday some sound clips and whatnot. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video.
So for the manifold that I got was the Speed Daddy JDM spec race manifold. Includes my manifold, my downpipe, and it deletes out my cat. So I'm actually catless in my system now. I have just the HKS muffler in the back. I still have my two O2 sensors just because I don't want my car running really rich. I mean, already taking out a cat in general, you're gonna be running rich. So you're gonna definitely hear pops and cracks a lot more. Also with this system, I had to delete my EGR valve, which most people say that deleting your EGR valve doesn't do much. I mean, it just recycles old fumes that came through your exhaust that haven't burned off. But with this manifold, it only pulls it off cylinder 4. So I just plugged it off and I deleted that system entirely. Coming from the headers down to the rest of the system, it lined up perfectly, but it has a clamp on the bottom that was supposed to bolt in. It actually doesn't bolt in to your regular exhaust system, so I actually had to cut and weld. I love how it sounds in my car, makes it pop and crack.
So right now I'm going to show you guys the sound clips that we got from the new headers with the muffler on and without the muffler on. And I'll also include title screens and whatnot so you guys know which one is with the muffler and which one is without the muffler. But by hearing it, you will definitely tell which one is which. There's a big difference for sure. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy these clips. Jeez. So as you guys can tell, it is very loud without the muffler on with those new headers. So we decided we're gonna put back on the muffler just because, I mean, for one, he's gonna daily drive it and it's really obnoxious when you floor it. But what we're gonna think about doing, we're gonna get one of those remote electric flaps that go in the exhaust, and you can open up and close the exhaust. And we're gonna take the muffler off. This will probably be a project next summer sometime, and we're gonna take the muffler off and put an electric flap in there so we can have it closed when we're, I don't know, in neighborhoods or when we're just trying to cruise around just because it's a daily driver. But once we're trying to go hard, we're gonna open it up and it's gonna sound pretty crazy. Yeah, as you guys can tell, we also did gut out his car a while ago. That was probably a couple weeks ago. We gutted out his car, and yeah, that was a cool process. We did a lot of stuff going into that. We took the all the seats out first off, just because we were getting rid of all the carpet. We got rid of all the paneling in the back. He's gonna put in another video, this is a lot of future stuff we're going to be doing. He's going to put a big strut in the back, and he's going to have a harness with this car. I think it's going to be really cool. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was installing Blake's new headers on his Mazda Protege. Also, if you guys want us to do more videos on the Subaru and the Mazda, and if you have any cool ideas, that would be greatly appreciated. Just comment them down below, any ideas that you guys have, either with the Subaru or with the Mazda. We're open to anything. And also, we are thinking about doing some gaming videos, and I do have the Logitech G920 shifter, and I also do have Need for Speed, Forza, whatnot, and Blake's also available to do that too. So yeah, if you guys have any cool gaming ideas that you want me and Blake to do, just comment them down below. We are definitely willing to do them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below some other ideas you guys have for us to do in the future, and I'll see you guys in the next one.